Today we've got 1967 Chevy C10 short bed, body off frame restored, LS motor under the hood, and a 6-speed manual transmission sticking out of the floor. Go to volocars.com. We have over 200 cars in inventory. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this truck, along with all the information, pictures, videos, financing at volocars.com. You can scan the QR code that's on your screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this truck. So will the link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. It stands out. I call it the peppermint truck. Although when you look up close, it's actually a dark red metallic, very tiny, fine metallic, laid out evenly. The white is metallic as well. I will say the truck is not a perfect truck. It's very nice, but the body is really good on it. So is the paint. So this whole big slab of metal here, that big hood is all clean, straight, all fits nicely. The fender's clean all the way down here, even underneath the rocker is spotless. Doors fit well. The roof is all in real nice shape. The jambs are painted up just like the outside. The cab corner is excellent. The bed is excellent. All straight, no rust, no damage, all clean. Yeah, even underneath, it's all clean. Tailgate, beautiful, straight, clean tailgate. This side is more of the same. Look down the side of the box. It's all clean, straight, all nice and clean down here. It has that little body line there. It's just smooth and just the way it should be. All the way underneath, all nice and clean. The cab corner is clean. The rockers under the doors, all looking real nice. Look at the jambs, new weather strips. And again, this is a white metallic. Looks really sharp. Probably sharper in person than what you're seeing. So the body and the paint, I would say, is really, really nice. The glass, the vent windows, the windshield, and the rear window were replaced along with the weather strips. The door glass is original, has some marks on it. Up front here, the grille is painted metallic white. The moldings have been replaced. The bumper's re-chromed. And you might notice the bumper's sitting a lot lower than it would have originally. It also has octane LED halo headlights. Sitting on some Koi's wheels. They're 18-inch. And look how wide they are in back. They're like a pro street type of wide wheel. And way back in here, there's a little bit of pitting, so the wheels are very sharp looking, but they're not brand new. The tires are brand new in back. We just put those on. They probably haven't even hit the street yet. The moldings have been replaced. Door handles have been replaced. The back bumper, really sharp looking chrome. And then we've also got LED tail lights that light up nice and bright. So good looking truck. Sharp looking. Let's open up the interior and see that LS under the hood. Good old fashioned metal tailgate. Well, the inside of the tailgate and the entire inside of the box is clean, straight metal. It's been painted real nicely. You can see the body line continues on these tubs here, and these are extra wide tubs for those big tires. The originals would have been half that size. The floor, the wood's been replaced as a dark stain. The finish on there is really good. There's a couple small spots like size of a quarter where the clear is peeled. The stainless strips are polished, and the fuel has been relocated to the back of the truck. They got that gas tank out from behind the back of the seat. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. So when they painted it, they painted the inside of the doors just like the exterior, and they painted the dash. It has new window cranks, handles, and armrests. Whole new instrument panel with a full set of factory style gauges. Has the tachometer, and the battery, temp, oil pressure gauge. New padded dash. Again, all painted nicely. New retro stereo with the speakers. And it has this little remote antenna. So they filled the antenna hole and they filled the gas filler hole on the body. This is all painted up nicely. There's no heat or air, although there is a new heater core Underneath there, will let heat in, and there's a brand new heater control panel that'll go with it that fits in the spot there. But you know, some people might want to put the whole air conditioning, you know, that sort of stuff's all available. The seat, nice and plump and firm. This is a rebuilt seat, reupholstered in the red and white. The whole inside of the cab again is painted. Underneath the carpet, it's painted with like a durable chip guard. And then we've got the beautiful polished tilt column with the beautiful steering wheel. But the highlight of it all is this Hurst 6-speed manual shifter. You don't find that in a pick-em-up truck too often. So that and the LS are big pluses for this truck. So this is a 6.2 liter all aluminum LS motor making 420 horsepower. Pretty much it's a stock application. It does have stainless steel long tube headers. And you can see how the firewall and the inner fenders are all smoothed out and painted very nicely. The whole engine bay is painted up real slick. Very simple, clean. Aluminum radiator, has dual electric fans. Got this nice cold air intake. It's got some new horns. We've got power steering, power brakes, a new reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. Michael's going to take you for a ride, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Amazing build. Really impressed with the overall quality of this. I was excited from the second that I saw it in the showroom, and then I got in it and I saw the 6-speed. Man, what a great time throwing that around. And I've had a really just nice experience overall with the truck. Turnkey, ready to go, fuel injected, cruise until your heart's content. My kind of vehicle. Let's see what she's got. All right, and we're doing 60 just like that. Put it down into 6th gear here. Oh, we were doing way over 60 actually. But yeah, it looks like it's about, man, in 6th gear at 60, maybe only 700 RPMs. So yeah, with the gearing, it's definitely meant to cruise anywhere you want, including the highway. Take the long way to the cruise night, whatever the case is. Let's get it on the 3rd gear here. And 2nd, one final time. Excellent. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I think I said it earlier, it's a body off frame restoration. You can see all the new body bushings, but the floors, the frame itself, all clean metal. All the suspension has been rebuilt and the steering, and it's lowered, obviously. It has lowering springs, tubular control arms up front. Shocks were replaced, front and back. In back, the bushings, the lowering spring, shocks, all replaced. Really nice sounding, nicely installed dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. You don't see the tips hanging out Oh yeah, you do, right behind the rear tire. Fuel tank, custom aluminum tank. The brakes are upgraded to disc at all 4 of the wheels. You look up at the motor, it's an aluminum motor, high torque starter, 6-speed Tremec manual transmission with hydraulic clutch. Custom drive shaft goes back to the 12-bolt rear end. So underneath the truck's very nice. Good looking short bed LS with a 6-speed. Excuse me. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your C10 delivered home. Thanks for watching.